Coffee is the elixir of life. Did you know that people who drink coffee are 87% more likely to be like happy, full functioning adults?
Where did you get that idea?
I saw it on Reddit.
Reddit is not a reliable source. You do know that, right?
Yeah, well, that's just like your opinion, man.
Okay, Internet, I'm Chad from C HubSpot Run, a team of Platinum HubSpot partners. And today we're going to give you some HubSpot CRM magic to get your sales and marketing teams on the same page. I know, pretty sweet, right? If you're using a CRM or disjointed spreadsheets that aren't connected to marketing activity in any way, then it's impossible to see what the right hand is doing from the left hand. The beauty of the HubSpot platform is that you can integrate the CRM with marketing activity. Let's look at 2 ways on how this thing can work. The first way will take more time and intentionality, building your site on the CMS Hub. Using HubSpot CMS, you can publish website pages, landing pages, and blogs all fully integrated in HubSpot. This means you'll have a single source of truth for all kinds of things. We won't cover the in-depth analytics and reporting, but you can see from this basic analytics report that HubSpot can attribute traffic, page entries, and activity all the way down to revenue. From the beginning to end, you can see how new clients and customers are taking their journey. Another great way to see this is by looking at a contact's life of the lead. With an integrated CMS for all your marketing activity, you can see what pages a lead visited and what forms they filled out right alongside all of your sales activity, like sequences and phone call logs.
Hey, while we're here in the contact record, I just want to point out we do have a legit video on how to transform sales relationships using one HubSpot CRM best practice, and all of it happens right there in the contact record. So you can go watch that video if you want. If you want to.
Cool, thanks for that info, Amy. I'm like cheerful in this one. It's weird. Maybe coffee is helping me. The second way is to embed HubSpot's forms, CTAs, and tracking code onto your site. Platforms like WordPress have great plugins to help with this effort. But on any builder, you can simply copy embed codes from your forms or CTAs, also known as calls to action. Then you'll know exactly what buttons people are clicking on and what forms they're filling out. All of that data will still get populated into your contact record. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hop on over to that best practices video. I'm going to get some more coffee because it's making me feel really happy.